Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Driven Data Mom. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how you can create an amazing video using ChatGPT and Lumen5. So, let's get started. First, open Google and type Lumen5. This will take you to the official website. On the landing page, you'll find lots of options, but today I'll focus on one simple and powerful feature. For this tutorial, I'm selecting text on media. Now here you'll get 3 ways to add content: paste text, import a URL, or upload a document. I'll go with the paste text option. Before this step, I've already prepared a paragraph using ChatGPT. It makes the whole process so much easier. So just copy the text from ChatGPT, paste it here, and click on Compose Script. Within a couple of seconds, Lumen5 will generate a preview of your text. Once you're happy, click Continue. Remember, you can use up to 1200 words here. Next, click on Generate Media. Lumen5 will automatically create a video preview with AI-generated images based on the text you provided. Pretty cool, right? Finally, click Generate Video. This will bring you to the final preview, where you can still customize images, text, fonts, or alignment to match your style. And that's it, your video is ready in just a few minutes. So, here's my final video made with ChatGPT and Lumen5. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel Driven Data Mom. And let me know in the comments what kind of tutorials you'd love to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next episode.